So I share the shell design. The AD, when we developed the AD software, we really focused on aligner shell quality. Some big orthodontic software also have create aligner shell function, but there are some problem. Aligner shell have irregular trimline. Sometimes aligner trimline is very sharp. And also inside, aligner inside, sometimes we can see the wall between the tooth. Nowadays, many our user use our graphic system, but with other software. Some our user ask to us, patient aligner fitting is not good, or aligner is unclear, and or aligner printing is failed. That time I asked to them, please send your Excel file first. That time I can see this problem, and that's why. And you can compare the aligner shell quality like this. Left side, right side is different from different software. The AD aligner shell is very, very smooth, very, very soft, and very, very stable. Also, inside, aligner inside, curve is very smoothing. So, it can be good fitting with your mouth, with patient mouth. If your patient uncomfortable with fitting, your patient do not want to wearing aligner, and patient cooperation is very low, and then we cannot counter patient and we cannot finish this case. So aligner shell quality is most important. That's why I emphasize, if you have your familiar software, you can use this software to make treatment plan. But please use the AD software to create aligner shell. That's why. Even today, also big orthodontic software company asked me, we improve our aligner function. So please check our aligner function is good for graphic system. So I need to check this quality, and if I decide, oh, this software aligner shell is very nice, I can talk you. And Archifoam, another one of orthodontic software, Archifoam company, they have great aligner shell function. This aligner shell program is the same with us. We shared our programming to Archifoam. So Archifoam also quality is very high. So please just remember, and if we have some if we get some good software, we can share to you. But please check when you get a aligner shell, please check this part. Your aligner never get irregular trimline and sharp trimline, and even you cannot see inside the wall. Many research studied of shape memory aligner system. We can provide scallop margin, straight margin, and even we can extended margin. But some studies already have results. Study. So scallop extended margin is good for tooth movement. But we recommend at the four step at the beginning, step 1 to 4, we usually use scallop margin because patient need some adjust time with aligner. So for 4 step means 4 weeks, 1 month. So for 1 month, patient need adjust time with our aligner, and then after that, you can design straight margin with extended. Okay. So when you go to make lead aligner function, you can decide scalar margin and straight margin. Even scalar margin also you can extend margin. That time you just ordered, you just entered the step tooth number, and then you can design it like this. And straight also, and cover the gingiva area. This function is most important of shape memory aligner system. In summer-forming aligner system, one aligner, just one thickness. But we can design aligner by ourselves. So sometimes, for example, your patient have bruxism. That time your aligner a little bit easily tears. And or for mixed dentition, that there's a crown is very sharp. So when wearing aligner a little bit happened aligner hole or aligner crack, that time you can increase the thickness by yourself. You can compare left and right side, same aligner but have different thickness. You can design like this. And also, sometimes you want to add thickness like this. Only tooth rotation, for rotation, like you can design. Actually, I like this function, pressure point. In some forming aligner system, we usually use plier to make a dimple or pressure point. It works very well. But there is some problem because some forming aligner, patient wearing aligner and removing aligner, every time aligner is deforming. So we cannot deliver the same first end of treatment plan. But our aligner have shape memory effect. Even if your aligner have pressure point, this point never deforming. So you can deliver the same force every time. And you don't need to spend much time to pressure area. And if you want to use attachment, you can add attachment with on the AD.